Okay, so here I have sweet potatoes chopped with regular potatoes, and then these are actually frozen Brussels sprouts. And then I have on them garlic powder, salt, pepper, and chili powder. And then I'm gonna throw on these pork chops that come from Costco, already marinated. And I'll probably end up having a leftover meal for my lunch tomorrow between my husband and I, so it's perfect. There we have it, so good. And can't wait to chow down. Hello, it is Tuesday night and my air fryer is going. I just got home from my friend's house and I'm running late, so we're having turkey tacos. So I was going to make turkey meatballs, and then I decided, I hate ladybugs. And then I decided that I didn't have enough time, so I'm just gonna make some turkey in there with taco seasoning and ranch seasoning. And then I remembered that I had some avocado, so we're gonna make a really good turkey taco. So I have a wrap here that I added cheese to, and then there's a bunch of avocado under here, and then I put some lettuce. And I'm actually gonna make a crunch wrap because my friend did it the other day and it was so good, so I'm gonna attempt. I did make one already last week and it didn't turn out perfectly well, like it didn't stay together, so we'll try again. Okay, so I wrapped it up like a crunch wrap and then put it, I just folded the edges in, and then I put it in the air fryer to make it nice and crispy. It's gonna be so good. Happy Thursday! So tonight, I am feeling pretty lazy. So we're going to be making Hamburger Helper in the Instant Pot. I have never made this before, but it sounded really good. And I haven't gone grocery shopping yet this week, so options were kind of limited. So I have a hamburger out, and I was gonna make, I've made it in a video before, it's the Philly cheesesteak pasta, but I decided against it, and I wanted to try this, and we'll see how it goes. So I just spent my day learning making some reels. I am really good at TikTok. Not really, like I'm not a pro, but I'm good at TikTok. I find reels so much harder. Maybe that's just because I'm not used to them, but I find TikTok way more user-friendly than reels. So. Anyways, it's been a learning experience. So I'm gonna put my Instant Pot on saute and then throw my hamburger in there and brown it up. Now that the hamburger's done, I'm gonna throw in some spinach. It doesn't say to do this, but I just want some vegetables in there, so I'm gonna throw that in, and spinach wilts really well when you're cooking it, so all this will turn really tiny soon. So put that in there, and then we're gonna add the pasta. Also gonna add in the seasoning, and it calls for tomato paste or ketchup, and obviously tomato paste probably the healthier option, but I hate how it comes in like those little jars, or yeah, the jar or cans. Then I'm like, what else am I gonna use it for? So I didn't want to waste it, so I'm just gonna add ketchup, and then it calls for Dijon mustard. I don't have that, but I do have this sweet mustard, so I'm gonna put that in there. I feel like you can't go wrong. So it's 2 tablespoons of ketchup and 1 teaspoon of the mustard. I definitely put more than 1 teaspoon in there. But I feel like you can just put like whatever you want in here, which is the beauty of it. And then I'm also just gonna put some chili powder, salt, pepper, and then let this continue to wilt. So far it smells exactly like Sloppy Joe, so that's a good sign. So you're gonna put in 1.5 cups of uncooked macaroni and 3 cups of chicken or beef broth. So I guess one of these cartons is 3 cups because I had already opened this and there wasn't enough left. So then I just filled the rest with water, and then while it's still a bit hot, it says to scrape the bottoms to make sure that you get like all the bits unstuck, and you want to make sure that all of the pasta is covered. It doesn't look like a lot of pasta. It kind of looks watery, but we'll see. And then you're gonna close it up, seal it, and put it on for how many minutes? 4 minutes. And then we're gonna add in some sour cream and cheese. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be so good. Whoa! Why does it say 45? There. Oh boy. Looks good. So now you're gonna put in half a cup. It's a little bit stuck to the bottom, I think. Half a cup of sour cream. Grab that right here. This is a light one, so it's a little more runny. I would put in Greek yogurt if I had it, because I don't really like sour cream, but you don't have it. And then it says about 2 cups of cheese. So I'm just gonna use all the cheese I have left because I have some mozzarella left and some double cheddar. I'm gonna put it all in there. That's how I roll, you know? Why do they make these bags like this? Like, I don't really know how else you make them, but. So now we're going to mix that all together. It's gonna make like creamy. I think we have that spinach in there. Make it healthy. Oh my gosh. Looks good. I hope it tastes good. I'm just gonna let it sit. My husband's not home yet, but it's pretty stuck some places. Looks yummy. Let's see. Hey, hello. We just got back from grocery shopping. So I will do a grocery haul for you. The sun is a little bit odd, but let's get into it. I haven't gone all week and it's Friday, so we were running a little bit low. It was manageable, but low. So we'll start over here. And we have naan breads for naan bread pizzas because they're honestly the best, especially in the air fryer. Follow me on Wild Country Lifestyle, my Instagram and TikTok. I made some pizzas with them. This is what happens when your husband goes grocery shopping with you. A ½ cup of Reese. I was looking at the back and this whole thing, if you ate the whole thing, is 1,000 calories. Mio, I've been drinking Mio every night with dinner and right before dinner, and it's so good. Some chocolate pie ingredients. We are going to my friend's house tomorrow, and so I'm gonna bring some chocolate pie like normal because that's literally what I always make now. Some hamburger buns, or no, hot dog buns, because we have some hot dogs to use up. Some sour cream and plain Greek yogurt. I've been loving sweet potato fries in the air fryer. I really like the flat, like thick cut fries, but they only had the crinkle cut, so I got that. But I just like, even for lunch, I just throw this and like some frozen vegetables in the air fryer and then like have leftover meat or whatever. It's really easy and really good. Pizza mozzarella for my pizza and for tonight's recipe. Some milk, chicken broth, and beef broth, along with corn and rotel. Some oatmeal chocolate chip cookies. Derek loves these things. We got, oh my gosh, 440 calories in one of these donuts. We got these donuts because we were craving donuts, and so we ate 2 on the way home. The other package I really wanted had like 10 in there, and I was like, okay, I don't want 10, but we did get 4, so they were really good though. Baby spinach for my smoothies. Crispy onions. These are for the recipe tonight. I'm making French onion casserole, chicken French onion casserole. I saw it on a YouTube video this morning, so we'll see how it goes. Bananas, some Ziploc bags because we were out, some rice cakes, green pepper, Little Gem golden potatoes, So there was the corn, and then I got 2 things of diced tomatoes because I had to stock up. 1 can of cream of chicken for the recipe tonight. Another 2 cans of corn for stock up. Hazelnut creamer, they were really low on options, so that's when we got. Then I got a whole bunch of frozen veggies because I ran out, and I love having these because if I have fresh, I go through like phases with vegetables, so they go bad. So I got 1 broccoli, 1 cauliflower, 1 3 pepper and onion, and 1 baby Brussels sprout. You can throw these in the air fryer, and they're so good. You can just like eat them, like pop them in like a little snack. Really like them. And then we wanted a different kind of meat for the week, so we got brown sugar and honey flavored breakfast sausages. So I'm excited to try those. And then my O'Dough's bagels, I love these things, and a big thing of butter for Derek. And that was everything we got.